Hi there! Quick video on a practical use case of AI. Generating a color scheme for a website from a given logo. I will show you the actual process I took when choosing the color scheme for my website, starting of course from my own logo. I'll be using Claude for this use case and only the free version. We'll go through the prompt editing, getting the color theme from Claude, and final manual adjustments to match your preference. So this is my logo. As a side note, I created this logo using a combination of AI tools and expert human designers. I will post in the future a video describing this process as well, so stay tuned. First, we need to ask AI what we want, so we'll create a prompt following the best prompt structure like this. For our use case, we'll only use role, task, and context. So this is the prompt that we'll use. On the role, we'll specify that the AI is a professional logo analyst, and we'll use computer vision to analyze the logo and provide a color scheme. As for the task, you can use two versions. For the general task description, we'll provide some abstract requirements, and for the specific task, we'll provide more details by suggesting primary color, secondary color, and tertiary colors, some best design principles such as 60-30-10 rule or the 3-color rule. On the context, I'll specify that my site is built on WordPress using Elementor Pro, so that it will generate some colors for the global color section of the site settings. I also specify the type of website, so it will adjust the colors accordingly. Just as a side note, here is the list of the colors being used by Elementor Pro. We have the system colors, the custom colors, like for the buttons, some backgrounds, accent colors. So we'll aim to get the color codes for these system colors. So let's go to Claude. I will only use for simplicity just the general task description. The context is as is, and I will just attach the logo. And let's run it. Okay, so let's see what it did. It properly identified the elements in the logo, the circular frame with this color at the top. He also identified that the color is transitioning from purple indigo in the middle and a pink one at the bottom. Also recognize the silhouettes of graduates with graduation caps, the laptop, and the generic flower knot symbol in the frame. This one's supposed to be a ChatGPT logo, and let's see what colors it suggested. So we have for the primary colors these ones, the secondary one, and the accent one, and some recommendation on how to use these colors. But as you see, we didn't get exactly the color scheme that Elementor is using. So basically, to go around that, either I can copy the color types from here, or I can just again use computer vision by making a screenshot of this section and feed this into Claude. So this is the snippet from that Elementor page, and let's add it to Claude and specify the Elementor Pro colors being used are the ones from the below picture. Suggest color codes for this or this color list. And I will drag here and let's see what it suggests. Okay, so now it provided the custom color codes for all the ones required by Elementor. Now, as for visualizing the colors and choosing, let's say, maybe a different type of color close to it, we can use helper sites like this one, like colorhex.com, where we will specify here the color and we'll say get info, and we'll get some information about this color, all its properties. And here we see also the shades of this color, and we can choose one that we find more appealing. Here we have the 3D colors, the analogous ones, the complementary ones, here on the background on a white and black. And here we'll have some suggested color palettes for this color. And we can do the same for all the colors it suggested. And as a result, here is how the website looks. Here we have this shade of blue for the menu. The same for this heading. This one for the check symbol. Here we have a gradient for questions, starting from this accent color and ending to this one. We have the buttons with hover on and off. And again, at the bottom, a gradient. As for a practice and fun assignment, you can follow the same approach to ask for the font scheme, starting of course from the logo and or the color scheme. You can find the formula template and the prompt used in this video in the article in the description. Subscribing to my newsletter will keep you up to date with all my content. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.